Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Today I want to review a mat for the coffee machine. Let's see. So it comes with actually two mats. This one, the big one, is mat for the coffee machine or any other major appliance. And this one is the coaster with the drainage. For example, coffee cups. So it's different texture. Let me reorganize it a little bit.
The coffee mat is made of high-quality silicone material, which is soft and comfortable, has strong durability and long-lasting ability, has excellent anti-slip properties, protect glass from slipping and sliding while protecting counters from stain and damage. Both the small and large coffee pads features raised edges that act like a tray to hold any spills. Compared to regular espresso mat for countertop, this under coffee maker mat has multiple uses such as drying kitchen mat, ice maker mat, dish drying mat, pet food mat, and blender mat, and many others. Coffee mats are easy to clean and can be wiped or rinsed with the water. After washing, they can be unfolded on the countertop or hung on a hanger to dry naturally.